Hey guys, welcome to Sun Digitals. My name is Paul. Today I'm gonna show you how to use the Marquee tool in Photoshop to make an advertisement for wine. Now, before we begin, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like, let's begin. Now, the first thing, I'll come to Photoshop and create. I'll come and put create. This time I want to create maybe something like Facebook. I want to create something like a Facebook poster. So maybe I'll use. So normally this dimension 1200 by 630, so I'll just come and leave it like that, everything like that I create. Then now I'll come to this blank document here. The one I want to show you is this called Marquee tool. I'm going to show you how to use the rectangular Marquee tool and ellipse. So for you to access all of this, you just come here, right click, rectangular Marquee tool and elliptic Marquee tool. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a background. So I'll come here, put insert a layer. Then the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to make sure my layer maybe is red. I like red for this kind of scenario. So I'll come and choose rectangle here. So the rectangle is going to form part of my background. Sorry, I'll just undo. I'll come again and click rectangle. Then the rectangle, I'll just drag it over here so that it forms a basis for my background. Then the next thing, I'm going to lock it like so that it doesn't get interfered with. Now the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to come to file, then I'm going to place an image. So I'm going to come place embedded, then it will take me to downloads. I'll start with this first image here, and then I'll just place it there. I'll place it somewhere here like so. Then I'll just stick, make sure it's in position, then I'll just stick. Then the next thing I'm going to do, I'm now going to use the rectangle Marquee tool. So I'm going to click this one. I'm going to click and right click this one like so. So I'm going to draw something maybe from here like so. I'll tell you why. So I'll just draw it maybe up to here. Then the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to choose select and mask. Now you can see what has happened. If I come to select and mask, the Marquee tool, it selects the object. But now if I play around with this feather here, it makes the object seems as if it's blending out slowly or fading out slowly. That's the effect that I want for this kind of aspect. Then I'll just say OK. Then there we have, you see this layer here has just been made. Then the next thing I'm going to do, I'll come to the move tool. Then I'll just put it somewhere maybe in a corner here like that. Then the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to maybe add some few words. But before I add some few words, I'm going to put another object so that I can use also the elliptic Marquee tool. So I'll come to file again, and then I'll come to place embedded. Then now this time I'll choose this lady here. Then I'll just place it. Place the lady there. Maybe I place the lady somewhere in the corner here. Then I'll just stick so that it comes into position. Then this time I'll go back to the Marquee tool. I'll right click so that I can access the elliptic Marquee tool. So I'll just click here. Then I'll come and draw a circle, something like a circle. If you want a perfect circle, you can press shift key, but I don't want a perfect circle, so I'll just draw something like this. Then again I'll come to select and mask here, or it's coming like this because already I put the feather like that. So you make sure if you want it just circle like this, you can just leave the feather, but I don't want the circle. I want to drag it so that it's as if it's flipping out slowly like that. So I'll make sure I'll leave it at that. I don't want this aspect to be seen, these aspects here to be seen. So I'll just pull it up to there. Then I'll just say OK. Now that's how to use a Marquee tool, that is the circle, rectangle, and that's the rectangle Marquee tool and elliptic tool. The next thing I want to do so that it doesn't look so hanging and unexplained, so I'm going to add some few words. So I'll make sure I'll come here, and also if you want, before that, if you want to edit this, for example, if I want to edit this, I'll just double click this one here, if I want to edit this Marquee tool, I just double click here, then it will take me to this option. So maybe I can still play around with this, the contrast, play around with this. Okay, but I just cancel. I just leave it the way it was. Then I just pull it maybe somewhere here. Now the next thing, if you want to edit, the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to insert text so that it doesn't look hanging and explain. So I'll just come and add another layer for the text, and I'll come with the text already written them here. So I'll just start with this. Come and enjoy with us. So I'll copy this and maybe create a text here. So I'll come and click there. So I'll make sure the text is black. So the first thing I'll come to swatches here, make sure I've chosen black here, and colors, then it will be the swatches. Then I'll just come and paste this one here like so. Then I'll just paste it there. It's so big. Yeah, it's so big. So I'll make sure I do that. I extend. So I'll reduce the words a little bit, maybe to 14. Then maybe now I can readjust that. Come enjoy with us. Then I'll just position it somewhere there like so. Then I'll also come again. I'll duplicate this. I'll come and duplicate this text. Then I'll put in the next text, which is the every Saturday. Copy. I'll just paste it here like so. Then I'll take it. Then I'll just place it there like so. And then I'll also hold Alt and duplicate this like so. Then I'll come and put crisp wine. Copy, paste. Now I cannot use only one font, so what will I do? I want maybe this one. First of all, I want this one to come to letters. Then I want maybe this one to be somewhere here. So I'll double click it and change the font, maybe something like calligraphy, and also I'll change the color of it. Maybe I use this crisp wine and make it even bigger, maybe 18. Then I'll change it to white. Go to swatches here, change it to white. So I'll position it here like so. And also this one, maybe I change it into also white, and maybe this one into something like yellowish like that. So I'll come and put something like here like that. So I'll also make this one big. Maybe also this one, I'll put it here like so. So yeah, I'll make sure that I'll just like that. Then maybe I can add a shadow here. So I'll come to effects here, drop shadow. Then I'll leave it at that. Okay, this one also okay. Also this one, I'll come and choose drop shadow here. And then yeah, like that. I think you see it's looking good. Also this one here, drop shadow. Come here, drop shadow. Now the drop shadow you can always manipulate here, maybe the opacity of the drop shadow, also the color here, and also the distance. The distance maybe you can see there. Then I'll just press OK. Now guys, that's how to make a simple poster using the Marquee tool, both the elliptic and rectangle Marquee tool. Now kindly subscribe to my channel. You can also watch the next video. Have a nice day, have a nice time.